right, my man Dave, Boosted Addictions.
What's up, guys? Finally here. Finally made it back.
Got TikTok here. Tell us what we got going on for the day. What we got on here?
We get some traction. We're gonna try something soft, maybe like 11 pounds of boost, and see what happens.
All right. So Hillian kit. What size turbos?
62, 66s, ball bearings, return fuel system, 1050X injectors, axles, drive shaft. The only thing that's really not done with the car is the tranny, and the tranny's honestly starting to make noise already. So that's going to be coming out real shortly.
So what we got going on with the motor?
Diamond pistons, sleeve block, rods, mainly rods. What? Maybe?
All right, so we're gonna run it against the Undertaker right now.
Yeah.
Let's see what we do.
Let's see what we do, baby.
All right, we're getting ready to run a Boosted Addictions twin-turbo 2018 Mustang. Got a Hillian kit on there with a built bottom end. He said he's running low boost today, so should maybe be in my favor. Maybe a little bit. 2018 on 2018. F-150 versus Mustang. Whipple on Whipple. Turbo. Twin turbos say that they don't care about like the boy. Oh man, that was a nice run. That's what happens when you run a car that's a lot faster, a whole lot faster. But it was fun. That's what we do it for. See how what the tickets look like. Curious as to what he ran. I don't know what I ran either. All right. 10.7 at 130 versus 10.1 at 142. Okay. Well, after that first beating that I took against the twin turbo Mustang, I don't know. For some reason I decided to try it again. We'll see. We'll see. Now we're just having some good fun here. I don't expect to honestly beat him, but you never know. Anything can happen. Pretty positive it wasn't the smartest move. Oh yeah. At what we call a waste of a run. Well, after screwing the pooch the last time, we are making sure that we are in 4-wheel drive this time. we gave it a good shot. We tried. I think he ran a 9. He getting a talking to. You kicked that guy out of here running on fast.
He gets one warning. He got his warning.
All right.
I know.
Ran 9.9 and 145. And that would explain why he left me like that. I actually left out a little soft. I was more concerned on just getting my tree together. So I ran a 10.9 at 129. All right, man.
Oh man!
All right, man.
What up?
You coming out here with this illegal race car stuff?
Yo, that's the street. I got AC, cooled seats, heated steering wheel, radio.
I don't know,
That
man.
ain't no race car.
My
I take it down to Shore House every weekend.
My pickup truck begs to differ, man.
Yeah, I know.
You brought it.
They just kicked me off the track. We did 9.9s at 147.
That's because that's not legal.
Yeah, well, she looked at my car. She's like, "You got a cage in there?" She's like,
Cage, you almost need a parachute. You what, 2-3 miles an hour from a parachute?
Woo.
Come on, man.
Yo, I tell you what though, your truck sounds nasty, dude. It was beside me, the thing was screaming.
Yeah, I heard it.
That truck sounds nasty. Yeah.
Beside you? When was it beside?
For a couple seconds you were there.
You had the cutout open, right? It's broken,
Nah.
right?
Yeah, it's
You
all
got
going.
cutouts on there?
I got it. Yeah, it's going through the
You know what
stock.
it is? Your exhaust exits right out the right, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You haven't seen the street sweeper video?
Nah. Oh, wait, when he clears all the dust? I see that, yeah. Yeah.
Oh, he stripped it down over. Let me zoom in. Oh.
Oh, we had to take
It
the car
was-
seat
it
out.
was a
You know,
street.
I got JJ with me. My little protege over there. And, take all the stuff out of the car. All the blankets, the baby bottles. Jay,
Custom
Jay,
weight reduction.
get over here. Come on.
It's all right. It's all right.
That's good though.
You coming out tomorrow for the shootout? You gotta make the
probably
shoot.
gonna be here.
Yeah, I bet
'Cause
you
know
are
John's
now.
gonna be- I know John's gonna be here too, so maybe I can get on the. Because you're right, dude. My mile per hour is way off. It was that big
All right,
of a
so-
deal.
So you got an idea of what to look forward to, huh?
Y'all 13 pounds of booze is the key for me.
That's the goal.
That's it, 13, but that's all I need. Yeah.
I gotta camber that thing. I can't get no traction on the street. I gotta do the rear.
That's because it's not even allowed on the racetrack. You're talking about on the street. It's not allowed on the racetrack.
Oh my god.
Just think about that for a moment. So this is your truck.
Yep.
So
Cost me a pile of money, buddy.
on paper at least, this is probably my most serious competition here. Or should I say I'm your most serious competition?
Well,